Hello and welcome back to Literacy for this week. I am so excited that you're here watching this video right now. This is the literacy video for Monday, May 11th. And I'm very excited because we're going to read through the story Shapes in the Clouds, and we're going to answer questions using text evidence when we're done reading our story. I'm going to practice reading first, and then we're going to practice writing and answering questions using text evidence. Let's get started. Okay, I have my story here in front of me. I'm ready to show you how to read fluently through our story. That means I'm going to pause if I get to a period or a comma. I'm going to change my voice when characters are talking, and I'm going to read quickly as I can, not word by word. So I want you to watch Miss Kelly read the first time. Then I'm going to ask you to pause the video, go back, and read with me the second time. Okay, here we go. Shapes in the clouds. Sam dropped the ball near Mom and frowned. Kurt didn't come. Can we go home? Sam asked. Mom said, okay. But first, let's look at the clouds. Sam nodded and sat down. He liked finding shapes in the clouds. I see a bird, Mom said. Sam saw it too. The cloud looked like it had wings. I see a boat with 2 oars, Sam said, and now it's turning into a race car. Sam smiled. He felt better. This was just as much fun as football. All right, time for you to go back in the video to when Miss Kelly started reading the story, and your turn to practice reading with me fluently. When you're ready, we can move on, and I have a phonics activity for you to try and see if you can do my challenge activity. Okay, you should have paused the video and gone back and reread with Miss Kelly. Now we're ready to try and do our phonics challenge. We have 3 ways to spell the sound. IR, UR, and ER all make the sound. Remember, ER is our first choice. But I want to see, can you find any words in our story that used the sound? Pause the video here and see if you can find any words in our story that use the sound. Okay, you should have paused the video to help find some words. See if you were able to find the same words as Miss Kelly. I found in the story the word first. First. They used IR. I also found the word bird that used IR. That's our anchor word, bird. And then there was one other one that almost tricked Miss Kelly. Did you get the word Kurt? They used UR to spell the sound in Kurt. Great job, first grade. Now we can go back and answer some questions with our writing today. We worked on a little bit these last 2 weeks how to restate the question when we're answering. So my first question is, what does Mom see in the clouds? I remember from my story, but I want to make sure that I put it into a complete sentence. Remember, when we restate the question, we use the words from the question in our answer. So my question was, what does Mom see in the clouds? When I'm answering, I'm going to say something like, Mom sees in the clouds. Do you see how I'm using the same words from my question to help me answer the question? Okay. I also want to know, what does Sam see in the clouds? Those are your two questions you're going to be writing today. What does Mom see in the clouds? And what does Sam see in the clouds? I want at least 2 complete sentences answering the questions. But I also, if you have time, would love to see, what do you see in the clouds? This morning when I was drinking coffee, I wandered out onto my patio, and when I looked up at the sky, I saw clouds that looked like a bow and arrow. If you have time today, I would love for you to write and draw me a picture about what you see in the clouds. Make sure to send this work to Miss Finney and Miss Kelly so we can see and share how awesome it is. Thank you, first grade.